In this video I'm going to show you how to make a 1x1 picture in Canva. So open your Canva account and after that go to create. Here we will create a new design. So go to custom size on the left side interface and there we will select inches. So select inches under units and then set the 1x1 ratio. Now you can create a new design by clicking on this button. Create a new design and after that you have opened your new design in a 1x1 inch format. Now what we need to do now is add a picture into it. So what you can do is go to uploads and upload a new picture like this one. And after that you can remove the background with the BG remover option. So remove the background. After that we need to resize this picture to make it fit within this design. Once you are happy with the design, then you can download it. Go to share, after that click on download and then you can download it as a 1x1 picture. And this is how you make a 1x1 picture in Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.